Come test drive the 2018 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, trip computer, fog lights, leather seats, outside temperature gauge, engine immobilizer, body color door handles. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.